welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I'm actually doing a quietly different video than I normally do. I typically stick to beauty, lifestyle, fashion, things like that. But today I wanted to share something that I figured out on my iPhone and organize. It's like I have ADHD, so it is so hard for me to find stuff on my iPhone, and I'm always keeping so many tabs open. And this year I was like, you know what, before the end of 2019, a girl's got to get organized, because I most definitely cannot be taking like 5 or 10 minutes to look for an app on my phone. Most of the time I'm just searching to try to figure out where it's at, because I have like 100 and something apps on my iPhone that I actually use. So today this video is going to be about how to make your phone aesthetically pleasing. So the first thing we're going to talk about is cases. So for me, my iPhone is rose gold. It's an iPhone 7 Plus. Yes, I know there's new iPhones out, but I am just so old school that I refuse to upgrade until I desperately need to upgrade. I mean, my phone has been working fine for me. If it's not broken, don't fix it. So anyway, this is the case that I currently have on my phone. My phone is not in this case actually at the moment, but I have a different case on there, which I'm actually going to change in a bit to this one. So I have this pop socket is so old. Oh my gosh, it needs to be replaced. It's faded. But this is a rose gold case here for iPhone 7 Plus that I got from Walmart. It has buttons on the side here, and one of the buttons for power buttons and volume buttons, and then at the bottom, of course, there's the charger port and speakers. So it's pretty simple, but it's also cute because it's glittery. I love glitter. Glitter's my middle name. It's my favorite color. I'm just kidding. Another case that I absolutely love, and then every gal's gotta have, is the Selfie case, and not the Selfie that you attach to the front of your phone. I actually got this case from Walmart as well. Actually, no, excuse me. I got this one from Amazon. I have another one from Walmart, but it was a little too bulky for me, and it didn't have a back light, so I didn't like that. So I got this here, if you can see. I got it off Amazon. I do not remember the pricing for it. I believe it was pretty cheap, but I will definitely link all the products below that I'm discussing today that I actually have for this case and this case here that I'm going to show you. So this is a little messed up because I've actually probably dropped my phone so many times, and I thank God that it has these incredible bumpers on the side. As you can see, the damage right here. It actually prevented my phone from having any damage on it or cracking the screen or anything like that. Another thing you may want to get is a screen protector, a glass one. I do have that on mine, and I love the fact that I have insurance through Zag for my screen protector, and I actually only pay $5 to replace my screen protector for the insurance if it breaks or I need to replace it, instead of paying $30 for a new screen protector for that brand. And that's a really good brand. I cannot off the top of my head remember the brand of the screen protector, but I have the information and I will link it down below in the description. So this case right here has a front facing light here, so you can take selfies, photos, videos, whatever. And then you have a backlight. So you can actually do take photos of other people as well with lighting, or someone could take a picture of you and you still have lighting. And then I love that it has dual lighting where it's front and back at the very same time. There's also a blinking function in here, if I can get, there you go. So then you can use it as maybe, I don't know, a strobe light. Hey, party over here. But, but yeah, I thought that was pretty neat when I got it offline. It did not actually say anything about the flashing lights. I just discovered that one day by short pressing the button when I was trying to turn off the case, and then I was like, oh shoot, it's a strobe light. Okay. It's actually great use for a flashlight too. And then you can also charge it. It takes a regular standard charger, typical Android charger I'd say, and you can use any cord to charge that up with, and it lasts about, I want to say maybe 8 hours or more. If you're using it consistently, it also depends. I've used it for about 15 minutes before with the light on, and it didn't die. And then there's also a standby life. So that is the very first step to making your phone aesthetically pleasing, which is finding a nice case that you guys like, that either matches your phone or something that you're passionate about and you love. The second step we're going to get into is wallpapers, finding wallpapers that you guys like. You want to do your wallpapers first because you want your wallpapers colors to actually match your icon color. So for me, I'm a little bit of a stickler. So like I like rose gold, and which is like a pinkish color. So for me, my cases, my phone is rose gold, my cases are rose gold, and so are my icons and my backgrounds. My icons are kind of like pinkish. So it all kind of like aesthetically matches itself. So for the wallpaper, you want to find whatever color you like that would complement your case and your phone itself for the color. And then we get into third thing is icons, which would be showing you guys how to change your icons and the color. And then the fourth thing is organizing your apps so you can actually freaking find them. So let's just dive right into this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your Google, and you're going to look for whatever type of wallpaper you want. I just typed in girly, I can do all things wallpaper. And I'm just going to search for the wallpaper that I want. I like this for a lock screen, so I'm going to go ahead and save that to my photos. And these are a couple of other different wallpapers here as well. They're all really nice. I'm just going to find the next wallpaper that I want to use as a home screen. I like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and save this one to my photos. And then once it's saved to your photos, you're going to go and open up the photos folder, and you're going to select the wallpaper that you want to start with. These are a few different wallpapers that I've actually already saved for future reference to have. Really good motivation there. Love the donut one, but you can choose any wallpaper you want. I'm going to use this one as my home screen, so I'm going to go and use wallpaper. And then I'm going to set it as set as home screen. So now that's my home screen background, and this one's going to be my lock screen. So I'm going to do the same steps. I'm going to use as wallpaper. I'm going to press set and then set as lock screen. And that is now my lock screen. So that's my home screen, and lock screen wallpapers are all now set up. So the next thing I want to show you is a little bit of how the Shortcuts app looks. So inside you'll see all the shortcuts that I've previously made for the icons on my phone. So now I'm going to show you how to make an icon and change the color that you want for your phone. You're going to go all the way up to the top and press the plus button there. And once you do that, it'll open a screen. You're going to type in the search bar at the bottom, open app. For some reason you have to type that in order to find this option. Click on open app. And then this section right here, you can press choose and then find which app you actually want to change the icon and color for, and create that shortcut. So I'm just going to pick books randomly. And then I'm going to press the three buttons at the top and go into color, change the color of the icon. I'm going to change mine to pink. And I'm going to scroll over to glyph and change the icon. I'm just going to scroll through here and pick just the regular book icon. We're going to press done, and then we're going to go to shortcut, type in the name of whatever you want to name that shortcut, and press done. And then that adds it to the screen. Press the three buttons, add to home screen, and then press add, and then done. And then press done again at the top, and then it's down below in the shortcuts there, and then it should show up on your desktop. And there you go, it's right there, and you click it open. Takes a moment to open up, but it will go to the shortcut that you just made. And there you have it. That's how you create all of your shortcuts and icons. So I'm gonna click on a few of the icons that I created so you can see how shortcuts actually works, and it does take a little while to open. We're gonna start with mail first, and it goes to shortcuts, and then it eventually does open up the mail box there. And it's only a split second before you can do that, and then you close them out. Then I'm gonna open up YouTube next, and That takes a split second as well, but all of the shortcuts work, so you're just kind of testing out to make sure everything that you created is working properly. So now that's like my calendar there, as you can see. And then I'm gonna do Instagram, check that one out. And that opens pretty quickly as well. And there you have it. I also made one for my music as well, so we're gonna test that one. And there you go. All the icons have opened up. Now you take all of your icons that you've made shortcuts for and you're gonna put them inside of a folder called Shortcut Apps. And this is where all those apps will sit and live. And this is how I organize my iPhone so I can find things efficiently. I have folders for everything: social media, TV, you know, Google, pretty much everything. You just want to organize accordingly. In the Shortcuts app, these are all the shortcuts that you created. They also do animation in here as well, so you can create an automated response. There's also a section where you can add in commands for Siri to do certain things for you for shortcuts, so you can say play playlist or download file. They also have something for a morning routine, which I thought was really interesting. Logging caffeine. I like the plan 3 main task because you can actually plan stuff out with those as well. Open app and Apple TV, so you can add all of these little quick shortcuts to your home screen, and you'll have them to click on when you're ready to use them. So these are all the shortcuts that I've made in my Shortcuts app here. When do I need to leave by is actually a good one, because it'll tell you the time frame that you need to commute, whether it's to work or wherever you set it for. So just click on it there, it'll open up. It'll tell me I need to leave in 18 minutes to get to work. And it gives you the time and everything and when you'll get there. Another shortcut I created is plan 3 main tasks. So you're just gonna type in what's one thing you want to get done today. And I'm just gonna say make YouTube video. Make it plain and simple there so that I can just kind of show you how the task works in itself and how to create the shortcut here. And then once you're done, you're going to just put OK. And then it'll eventually go to the next one. What's another thing you want to get done today? So I'm just going to type edit video. OK. And then the third thing is post video. Press OK. And then what am I doing today? And then it shows you your whole agenda right there. And then you can press the share button and you can save it or share it or send it to whomever. So that's a little gem right there that I use sometimes as well when I need to get things done that are prioritized in that day. So I love the fact that you can share stuff like that. You can also check your agenda for today. I'm going to click on today's agenda and it's going to bring up my agenda in my 24Me calendar, and I can see everything that I need to get done for the day. So there you guys have it. That's how to make your phone aesthetically pleasing. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you want to know how I edited this video on my iPhone, then click the video to the left. And thank you all so much for watching again. I'll see you next time.